Hello and welcome back to Tree. Look what I have here is the super hot Venus Flytrap that you guys have been asking about. Many of you wonder, does the bite hurt? Or what does it eat? Today I'll answer all your questions and show you a close-up of its lightning fast snap. Let's go! The Venus flytrap, Dionaea muscipula, is one of the most famous and studied carnivorous plants in the world. Its existence challenges the conventional view of plants that with most tend UA, as it not only passively absorbs nutrients but also actively hunts for prey. The Venus flytrap was first officially documented by European botanists around 1760. Arthur Dobbs, the then governor of North Carolina, is credited with sending the first detailed description of the species to botanist Peter Collinson in London. The carnivorous nature of Dionaea muscipula was not fully accepted by the scientific community until Charles Darwin, the father of evolutionary theory, dedicated extensive research to it and published his seminal book Insectivorous Plants in 1875. Darwin was deeply fascinated by the plant, describing it as one of the most wonderful plants in the world. They live in wet, highly acidic soils, mainly peat or sandy soil. Crucially, these areas are severely deficient in nitrogen and phosphate. This is the main reason the plant evolved its ability to catch insects. To supplement the essential nutrients they cannot obtain sufficiently from the soil, they require full sun to grow vigorously and develop the characteristic red pigmentation inside their traps. The habitat consists of wet savannas and pocosin, where the ground remains consistently moist but is not waterlogged. Growth habits. Dionaea is a herbaceous plant, growing in a rosette close to the ground. A mature plant typically has 4 to 7 leaves, each ending in a hinged trap. Like many temperate plants, Dionaea undergoes an essential dormancy period in the winter. During this time, growth slows down significantly, and the plant may only consist of a small bud and a few tiny traps, conserving energy for the spring. The Dionaea trap consists of 2 leaf lobes, each featuring sharp marginal teeth, and 3 to 4 rigid small trigger hairs on the inner surface. The trapping mechanism is a classic example of rapid thick monastic movement in response to touch. For the trap to close, an insect must touch at least 2 different trigger hairs in succession, or touch the same trigger hair twice within a window of about 20 seconds. This double trigger safeguard prevents the plant from wasting energy on raindrops or non-prey objects. Upon activation, an action potential is generated and spreads across the leaf. This causes a rapid change in osmotic pressure and ion release, making the cells at the midrib of the leaf suddenly change shape. The closure process is incredibly fast, often taking only 0.1 seconds, fast enough to imprison the prey. Digestion. If the trap closes and the prey struggles, confirming it is a valuable meal, the leaf lobes will slowly seal tighter. Digestive glands on the inner surface of the trap begin to secrete digestive enzymes to dissolve the soft tissues of the insect. This process lasts between 4 and 10 days, after which the trap reopens, leaving behind the prey's exoskeleton. Pollination process. The pollination mechanism of Dionaea muscipula is an evolutionary marvel, ensuring that the plant does not self-pollinate and, more importantly, that the pollinators are not eaten by its traps. Dionaea grows a long, thin flower stalk, which can reach 6–12 inches in height, clearly separated from the traps that lie near the ground. This height is key. It serves to separate the flowers from the traps. This prevents beneficial pollinating insects from being accidentally caught and digested. The flowers are white and grow in small clusters at the top of the stalk. Each flower has 5 petals and 5 sepals. Due to the high position and white color of the flowers, the Venus flytrap is primarily pollinated by flying insects such as small beetles and bees, rather than the crawling insects that are typically caught in the traps. Upon successful pollination, the flower develops into a small capsule containing numerous small black shiny seeds. Dionaea muscipula is a biological marvel representing the remarkable adaptability of plants to harsh, nutrient-poor environments. From its sophisticated bioelectric trapping mechanism to its spatially separated pollination strategy, every aspect of Dionaea is living proof of the complexity of evolution. Thank you for joining me on this exploration into the fascinating world of Dionaea muscipula. I hope this information has provided you with a deeper understanding and appreciation for this small but magnificent predatory plant. Goodbye, and I look forward to seeing you in our next exciting topic.